In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set up passkeys on WhatsApp. Even if someone gains physical access to your device, this modern approach integrates seamlessly with your device's built-in security features to ensure that only you can access your account, even if someone gains physical access to your device. To set up passkeys, simply head to WhatsApp. Now onto your settings page, you want to head to Account. Then select Passkeys. Tap on Continue to proceed. A prompt will show up. You just have to tap on Continue. Now enter your device passcode to enable the passkeys. They replace traditional passwords with a robust that is resistant to phishing and other forms of cyber attacks. Well, that's how easy it is to enable passkeys on your WhatsApp account. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.